When it comes to reliable, stylish, and functional timepieces, few brands can match the legacy of Timex. With more than a century of expertise in watchmaking, Timex has earned its place as a trusted name for individuals who value both aesthetics and precision. Whether you are a professional seeking a refined accessory, an adventurer exploring the outdoors, a sports enthusiast tracking performance, or someone who simply appreciates punctuality with elegance, Timex has a watch designed to complement your lifestyle. Timex watches go beyond mere timekeeping. They are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, combining advanced technology with practical features. From the classic charm of analog watches to the convenience of digital and smart watches, every Timex timepiece represents a harmonious balance of style, resilience, and innovation. The story behind Timex's journey began in 1854 with the establishment of the Waterbury Clock Company in Connecticut, USA. Originally focused on creating affordable clocks, the company gradually transitioned into watchmaking, prioritizing accessibility without compromising quality. By the mid-20th century, Timex had become a household name, particularly renowned for its legendary slogan, "Takes a licking and keeps on ticking." This campaign highlighted the brand's commitment to durability and reliability, setting Timex apart from competitors. Over the decades, Timex has continued to innovate, embracing technological advancements while retaining its timeless design philosophy. Today, the brand offers an extensive range of watches, including classic analog pieces, robust sports watches, and cutting-edge smart watches, all crafted to meet modern needs without losing the essence of tradition. Distinctive features of Timex watches are celebrated worldwide for combining style with practical functionality. Some of their standout features include exceptional durability, designed to withstand everyday wear. Many Timex watches are water-resistant, shock-resistant, and built with high-quality materials to endure demanding conditions. Affordability. Timex provides premium-quality timepieces at accessible prices, making luxury-style watches available to a wide audience. Versatile designs. Whether you prefer classic analog, sporty chronographs, or modern digital watches, Timex offers designs suitable for every occasion and wardrobe. Innovative technology. Many models include Indiglo nightlight technology, alarms, timers, chronographs, GPS, and smart features, offering convenience and modern functionality. Ease of use. With long-lasting batteries and intuitive interfaces, Timex watches require minimal maintenance, ensuring a hassle-free ownership experience. Benefits of wearing a Timex watch. Owning a Timex watch is more than owning a timepiece. It's an investment in style, reliability, and innovation. Here's why they are highly valued. Timeless style. Timex watches are designed to complement both casual and formal attire. With options ranging from minimalist elegance to bold, statement-making designs, they remain fashionable across trends and generations. Durability and reliability. One of Timex's hallmarks is its resilience. These watches can endure daily challenges, from accidental drops to water exposure, making them perfect for professionals, travelers, and adventure seekers. Affordable luxury. While high-end watches can be costly, Timex offers superior craftsmanship and design at an accessible price. This makes it possible to enjoy a stylish and functional timepiece without overspending. Advanced technology. From Indiglo illumination for low-light readability to modern GPS tracking and fitness monitoring, Timex continuously integrates innovative features that enhance the user experience. Adaptable for every lifestyle, Timex watches are versatile. Sports watches include chronographs and timers, dress watches add elegance to formal attire, and casual models provide comfort and style for everyday wear. Global recognition. Wearing a Timex watch reflects sophistication, reliability, and practicality. Its reputation extends worldwide, making it a symbol of quality and timeless fashion. Popular Timex collections. Timex offers a wide variety of collections, each catering to specific tastes and lifestyles. Timex Expedition, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. These watches are rugged, durable, water-resistant, and often equipped with navigation features. Perfect for hiking, camping, or sports. Timex Weekender, known for casual elegance, the Weekender series features interchangeable straps and minimalist designs, making it perfect for daily wear or social outings. Timex Ironman, tailored for athletes and fitness fans, Ironman watches include chronographs, alarms, timers, and lap tracking, supporting training and performance monitoring. Timex Marlin, a nod to vintage elegance, Marlin watches boast refined analog dials, premium leather straps, and a classic aesthetic suitable for formal events or business attire. Timex Smartwatches, combining tradition with technology, these watches provide fitness tracking, notifications, GPS, and heart rate monitoring for tech-savvy individuals who value both functionality and style. What makes Timex watches unique? Several qualities set Timex apart from other watch brands. Rich heritage. Over 160 years of expertise gives Timex watches credibility and trust. High-quality standards. Rigorous testing ensures durability, precision, and performance. Accessibility. Timex combines quality and design for all budgets without compromise. Customer-focused. Warranties, service centers, and quality control reflect the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. Choosing the perfect Timex watch. Selecting a Timex watch depends on your lifestyle and personal needs. Professionals opt for the Marlin or elegant analog models for a refined, formal look. Fitness enthusiasts, Ironman or smartwatch models offer the features needed for training and activity tracking. Outdoor adventurers, Expedition watches provide rugged durability and navigational tools. Casual wearers, Weekender models combine comfort, style, and versatility for everyday use. Maintaining your Timex watch. Timex watches are low maintenance, but proper care ensures long-term performance. Wipe the watch regularly with a soft cloth to remove dirt and sweat. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures and magnetic fields. Replace batteries promptly to prevent leakage and ensure consistent performance. For leather straps, avoid prolonged water exposure and condition occasionally to maintain flexibility. Timex watches are more than instruments for telling time. They are enduring companions that combine elegance, durability, and innovation. With a rich history, wide-ranging collections, and advanced technological features, Timex caters to professionals, athletes, adventurers, and casual wearers alike. Products informations given in the YouTube description box. To get more and more informations about fashion and style, please subscribe the channel.